Good morning, children. So, after a little relaxation of 2 days, let's continue our second chapter that we had already started from your first flight book, that is Nelson Mandela. So, in the last class, we studied about the speech that Nelson Mandela delivered in the ceremony of the inauguration, and there what he did, he connected all the countries, more than about 140 countries, with South Africa by his speech. And he says that the whole world is happy after the great change that took place there, that was the abolishment of apartheid rule. Okay, now continuing with the next para, just the same process I will be reading and explaining it simultaneously. So look it in your book and be with me. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers rode in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Only moments before, the highest generals of the South African Defence Force and Police, their chests bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted but arrested me. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. So, further, what we came to know about that. So, after the speech, okay, when everyone present there in the ceremony, they lifted their eyes towards the sky. So, what they saw? They all got surprised watching an attractive and colorful display by the South African jets and the helicopters over the Union buildings. Awe means, children, awe means surprise, okay? And spectacular array, you can see the meaning given at the side there of the book, an impressive display that is colorful and attractive. So that only I told you that when everyone they looked towards the sky, they were amazed, they were surprised to see that the jets and the helicopters, they were flying over the Union buildings, and there was an impressive display over there of those. And after that a show, it was a demonstration means a show of the military force, okay? And for what purpose it was organized there? It was towards the new government which was formed by the people themselves. The people had elected a very fair government, and this military troops, the forces, they were showing their loyalty towards this new form of government, okay? Then what further he says, only moments before, the highest generals of the South African Defence Force and Police, means the highest rank officers of both the Defence Force and the Police Force, who had many medals with them. For what purpose the ribbons and the medals are given to them? Obviously, for their work and their bravery, okay? They showed their respect by saluting him, and they even promised. Pledged means promised. For what purpose? Promised their loyalty towards the new government, that they will be always loyal towards this new government, okay? Further, Nelson Mandela says that he was not unmindful. So, when he talks of the past now, then he know that those officers, they would not have saluted him but arrested him before few years. Can you tell why? Yeah, exactly. Why? Because he was protesting against the apartheid rule which was prevalent in South Africa that time. So obviously those officers now who were saluting him, paying respect towards him, they would have arrested him instead of saluting him. Okay. And finally a chevron of Impala jets, and in the end what happens, a pattern in the V shape was formed. You can see the meaning of chevron, a pattern in the shape of a V. Okay, so a pattern in the V shape was formed by the jet planes in the sky, and they were leaving the smoke in different colors, that is black, red, green, blue and gold. So all these colors actually, okay, they are in the South African flag. So just to show or to display the flag over there of South Africa, this type of display was shown in the sky by the jet planes. Coming to the next para, the day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems and the vision of whites singing Kosi Sikle E Africa and blacks singing Die Stem, the old anthem of the Republic. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despised, they would soon know the words by heart. So further what happens after the impressive display and salutation ceremony? Okay, so again the day it continued with the playing of the two national anthems over there. Okay, the whites, obviously there were the two colored people there, and we came to know that the whites were dominating the blacks. So the whites, they were singing Kosi Sikle E Africa. Okay, and the blacks, they were singing Die Stem. Okay, which was their old anthem of the Republic country now. So he says further, Nelson Mandela further says that the whites, okay, he further writes that the whites and the blacks, they both were not knowing actual lyrics of the anthem. Why? Because they both had the different opinion about that. Okay, but now he was quite sure that they will soon learn the lyrics, the words. Okay, and here it shows that he was quite confident that there will be equality and there will be no further discriminations on the basis of these races, and it would be followed equally by everyone. That was the democratic government had been formed, and now everyone will be enjoying the equal rights. So it's enough for today. We will continue in the further class. Bye.